how to retrieve phone calls on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can retrieve your deleted phone calls on your Android device. So let's dive right in. For that, you'll need to go to your settings, scroll down, and then go to accounts and backup. Now, here go ahead and tap on uh, restore data. So here you'll find various options like call logs, messages, contacts, clock. Now, if you only want call logs, then you can just untick other options and just tick on call logs and then hit restore. And all of your call logs will be restored. However, what you need to do is come back and make sure that you can see Samsung Cloud option. You always tap on backup data. So if you keep on backing up data when you remember, then even if your phone calls are deleted, you'll be able to retrieve it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.